as digital. It is also known that 15% of those who were satisfied purchased the software from Ace Digital. Draw a tree diagram to represent the above information. Firstly, we need to draw lines to represent the first set of options in the question. In this case, there are two factors, which is probability S and probability non-S. S is students who were satisfied, non-S is students who were dissatisfied. A is the software purchased from Ace Digital, non-A is the software was not purchased from Ace Digital. From the question given, there are percentage. We need to convert the percentage to decimals and place those on the appropriate branch in the diagram. As for example, probability of non-S is equals to 0.2, probability of A given to S is 0.15, and the probability of A given to non-S is equals to 0.3. And then we need to search for the value of probability S by using the formula 1 minus probability non-S, because the total of the probability is equals to 1. And then we get the value of probability S is equals to 0.8. After that, we need to search for the value of the probability non-A given to S, which equals to 0.85. And then we search for the value of probability of non-A given to non-S is equals to 0.7. After that, we need to multiply probability S with probability A given to S to get the value of probability S intercept A, which equals to 0.12. And then we need to multiply probability S with probability non-A given to S to get the value probability S intercept with non-A, which equals to 0.68. After that, we need to multiply probability non-S with probability A given to non-S to get the value of probability non-S intercept with A, which equals to 0.06. And lastly, we need to multiply probability non-S with probability non-A given to non-S to get the value of probability of non-S intercept non-A, which equals to 0.14. B. Calculate the probability that the software was purchased from Ace Digital. In this question, we need to find the probability of A. If we want to find the probability of A, we need to add all the probability from the tree diagram that includes A, which is the probability of S intercept with A and the probability of not S intercept with A. After we add the values, we get the probability of A is equals to 0.18. See, given that the software was not purchased from Ace Digital, what is the probability that the student satisfied with the software? In this question, we need to find the probability of S given to not A. If we want to find the probability, we need to use this formula, which is probability S intercept with not A divided by the probability of not A. From question B, we know the value of probability of A is equals to 0.18. If we want to find the probability of not A, we need to calculate 1 minus by probability of A, because the total of the probability is equals to 1. After we calculate the values, we get the probability of S given not A is equals to 0.8.